Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on ACE or Fusionist or Endurance, whatever you want to call it, but the new Binance Launchpool project, right? And I'll refer to it as ACE in this video, which has been quite bullish. I was looking at this last evening, just in general. I mean, if you watch my early videos on this, because I have covered it from the start, I have not covered it in the last well, what is it? Yesterday, I think I did cover it the day before, but it doesn't matter. I mean, right now it's quite bullish, right? It's showing momentum, which I'll show you in a moment as well. And the most obvious reason for why this has potential is that it's a Binance Launchpool project, all right? And I can remind you of the different Binance Launchpool projects we've had over the last couple of weeks and last couple of months, and believe me, they've all done relatively well. Just in general, Binance affiliated tokens. So this is actually a new one, which I'll have to cover, I think. But if you look at other Launchpad projects and other Launchpool projects, I mean, you'll see Arkham, Edu, Space ID, Hooked have all rallied. And then you look at Launchpool projects, you see Ace, Meme, Neutron, Cyber have all rallied. Sai has rallied, Maverick has rallied a lot, Pendle has rallied a lot, Sui has rallied a lot, has also dropped down a lot, but still. So there's just a ton of potential here, all right? So if you then look at the momentum that ACE has at this moment, technically, what you'll find, excuse me, by the way, but what you'll find is that the open interest is growing up massively right now as well. So it would be stupid for me to say that we're not going to go up even more. Everything just looks bullish at this point of time. Now we're on the 15-minute time frame, and you can, by the way, also see, I mean, there was some sort of bearish momentum here, and that actually already broke yesterday evening. Which is not already, that was just a couple of hours ago, to be honest, but still. So now the main resistance level seems to be this level right here, all right? So that's the level between, around 16.5. But I'm going to say that it's most likely that we'll break above that, all right? That just seems most likely to me. Like I said, for the reasons that I've given you, right now there's a ton of momentum building up around ACE. The markets are strong, or at least, I mean, Bitcoin is still here at the top. If Bitcoin starts falling down, then the chances of ACE still rallying higher do decrease, all right? So you should know that. But for now, markets are still very strong. And ACE, it's a Binance Launchpool project. I mean, if you look at the start of Celestia, for example, it's kind of the same. I'll show you real quick. Well, all right. Well, it's not. Oh, yes, right here. Yeah. So you had a consolidation, and then all of a sudden a big bullish move, and then a huge rally. All right. So now with ACE, it's obviously happening much quicker. So it's not the same. But you have a consolidation and then a big bullish move. So this could really turn into something big. But like I said, 16.5 main resistance. We need to break above 16.5. I think that's most likely. First, we're probably going to get a pullback down to like $15.5, $15. But from there, I do expect us to eventually break above 16.5. And my first price target would be 19 up to 20. But let's say $18.9, $19 is my first price target. That's what I expect. So first a pullback, then we find support, at least under the circumstances that Bitcoin is still relatively well, holding up well. If Bitcoin is not holding up well, then there's a chance that ACE will not hold the support levels. And if it's not going to hold the support levels, if it's breaking below $15, then the bullish momentum is gone. All right. So then this will no longer happen. And that is something you should know. But given the current circumstances, this does look like the most likely scenario to me. All right. So those are my thoughts. I might or might not trade some ACE here as well. If you want to know more about that, check out the Signal and the Premium group. That's up to you. But for now, if you do have any questions, let me know. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.